Welcome back to Brotuned, guys. Here we are on another windy day, and we have something special today. We're gonna try shooting the CZ457 LRP versus my Tikka T1x in the K-Dex Defense chassis. Let's see how they do with Center X at 50 yards. Let's do this. So like I said, we're shooting rifle versus rifle today with the same ammo out of the same box. And we're gonna do 4 5-shot groups, that equals 20 rounds, and 5 sighters, just to kind of season the barrels equally. Both of them have fired SK Standard Plus last time I shot, so they should kind of be on the same ballpark level playing field kind of thing. We do have a good amount of wind today, but that's kind of the way it goes when I shoot in my backyard. There's always a wind. So we got right to left wind between 17 to 25 kilometers an hour. That's like 10 to 15 miles an hour. It's not constant, it's kind of on and off gusting. So I'm gonna try to like make it equal, take the shots when conditions are kind of similar, because it's pretty much dead right now, but then it'll start gusting again. I have my little hillbilly sunshade kind of blocking the sun from me, so I'm not dying of sweating here. And $23.99 a box, Center X. Let's see how it does. 50 yards in the CZ, and then we'll see if the Tikka could beat it. I put the stock barrel back on the LRP here, so we're trying to keep it as close as we can. Only thing different is this is a factory stock, but I have a better trigger. The T1X has the K-Dex Defense Strike Nuke Evo chassis and a factory trigger, no mods at all. So basically it's barreled action dropped into a chassis. And I guess let's get going. So I'm gonna shoot the 5 sighters first, just to get warmed up. So it'll be the top target. I'm just gonna shoot down. And yeah, this barreled action is shimmed. Well, the bolt's shimmed, as you guys have seen in previous videos as well. So 5 fouling shots here on the top circle. Here we go. We're way to the right. But they're stacking, so we should be good to go now for our first 5-shot group. We're gonna drop down 1 target and do 5. Let's do it. Wow. One solid flyer there. Giving the Tikka a good chance to win. Group number 2. Wow. Clearly the CZ doesn't really like the Center X. Seems to prefer SK standard for some reason, which is a good thing for my bank account. Group number 3. And our last group, here we go. Wind's picking up. That last round in these 10 round mags. Well, other than that one flyer, good solid one hole group. So now we'll switch over and we'll go with the T1X.
A few moments later.
So now we're sitting behind the T1X, and like I said before, I only have one 5-round mag. Maybe I'll run off to the gun store today and see if they have any today, but kind of a pain in the butt, and I'm a little winded from running down to the target. Make sure my GoPro is still working. It is summer and those GoPros don't seem to like the hot weather. We have 5 rounds loaded. I'll skip through when I'm loading the mags so you don't have to sit there and watch me do that. Hopefully we're pretty zeroed, and we're gonna shoot the first sighting target. Here we go. A little bit low and left. Looking pretty good. Send it. Ooh. Still looks pretty good. I don't know, I think Tikka might be taking this one. But it is way too early to tell still, so load up another mag and get to shooting. Group number 2. I really like the feel of this chassis and this palm swell here, but the trigger is so damn heavy. Just kind of ruins it. Here we go, group number 2. Ooh, that's rough. Really need to take a look at this trigger though. If it was light, I think it would be just as good as a Timney, but I have to do something because it's really heavy and it's almost like it's throwing off my shucks. I gotta pull so hard. Okay, group number 3, here we go. Pretty good little group. Still looks like one MOA. And we're on our last 5 rounds. And then we'll measure up the groups and see which gun takes the win with Lapua Center X. If you guys want me to try different ammo head-to-head like this too, let me know in the comments down below. Give me any suggestions what you want to see next with these rifles. If you want me to mod them, keep them stock, or whatever it is, let me know. So we're ready for group number 4, and that's the end of this little test. Here we go. Okay. Ooh, this one really opened up. Oh my God. Terrible. Well, from what I see here, I think the CZ took the win, but all we have to do now is measure these groups, compare them, and let's see who won. Well, there you have it. So we have the winner. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Like I said earlier, comment down below if you want to see something special or whatever you want to see, let me know. And if not, we're just going to keep going with T1X, see what we can get out of it. And we'll also keep shooting our CZ 457 LRP. And we'll just see what we can come up with as we go. So alright guys, hope you have had a great time watching. I had a great time filming this, and we'll see y'all next time. Take care guys.